Hence, the year 2020 is extremely important for a study. Saransh,
Yes, sir.
stand up. I said stand up. Great. So, tell me something about the year 2020.
Sir, in 2020,
What happened in 2020?
The coronavirus pandemic.
Very good, Abhijit.
yes, sir. The COVID-19 pandemic.
अब तो बता ही देंगे. Okay, so students, for the next class, all of you will present different aspects of the corona pandemic. So come prepared, especially you, Saransh. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ओए शाहराज किस पे सुनाएगा तुम?
मुझे क्या पता यार, मुझे 2020 के बारे में पता ही नहीं था.
Hey losers, कौन सा टॉपिक चूज कर रहे हो तुम?
ज्यादा एटीट्यूड मत दिखा. पढ़ाई में होगा तो बहुत बड़ा टॉपर, प्रेजेंटेशंस में नहीं है.
और तुम मुझे बताओगे? ऐसी प्रेजेंटेशन बनाऊंगा ना टीचर को उनके 2020 याद आ जाएंगे.
अलग ही हुआ कॉन्फिडेंस है इसका.
उसे छोड़. मैं तो वहाँ चैप्टर ऑफ कोरोना वायरस पे बनाऊंगी, तू भी देख ले. तुझसे तो अलग ही क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले हैं मिस्टर लगन सेठी सर.
देख लेंगे यार.
आ गया तू? ला पैक दे दे.
मम्मी, आपको 2020 के बारे में कुछ याद है?
2020 बेटा यादें तो अभी भी ताज़ा ही है ना.
वो स्कूल में एक प्रोजेक्ट मिला है, आप कुछ हेल्प कर सकती हो?
प्रोजेक्ट मिला है. तू 1 मिनट रुका.
ये क्या है?
बेटा ये मेरे पापा की डायरी थी. 2020 के माइग्रेंट क्राइसिस के बाद तो ये उनकी आखिरी निशानी थी ना.
थोड़ा क्लीशे नहीं हो गई ये लाइन?
मार खाएगा. हाथ में धोने चल, खाने लगाती हूँ.
News reports suggest the falling economy and the looming job crunches led the mass movements of the migrant toward their homeland, thus known as the migrant crisis. Thank you.
Fantastic job, Abhijit. Fantastic. Saransh, it's your turn now. Introduce your topic first.
My topic is how the people felt during the pandemic.
बोर हो रहे थे लॉकडाउन में.
Maintain the decorum, please. Yes, Saransh. Continue.
This is a diary, but it's not ordinary diary. This diary used to belong to my grandfather, who passed away during the pandemic. But he wasn't the only person to own this diary. This diary somehow found its way across economic stratas, across space and time, across many accounts that only had one thing in common: suffering.
Account 1 was probably written by a middle class inhabitant of some big city, earning their bread by the month. The diary tells the story of how the lockdown not only brought financial turmoil in their life, but also brought a wave of emotional trauma. The compassion fatigue that the person underwent is well depicted by how the person considered the diary to be a living companion who would listen to them patiently. Account 2 was written by someone who had lived all her life amidst the toxicity that exists in common household of this country. Casual sexism, comparisons, and unrealistic expectations propagated by the parents affects the writer deeply, and she writes of her agony in this diary. Account 3 is the last account and by far the most crushing. It talks about how a migrant worker gave up his valuable savings to his friend who had lost his unborn child while he was helpless in the lockdown. without money after helping his friend get back to his family. This guy set out on foot to come back to his people. But the suffering that a new never shows is that how this guy never made it home.
So, to end my speech, I want to say this wasn't just a diary, it was a mental piece of many people. What you don't find in those headlines are the emotions attached to it. Such suffering pushed many people to the edge of the cliff, if not over it. In those times of mental anguish, some people find solace in diaries like these. But there were so many people whose story was never shown. So many people who had a different narrative for collective suffering. But time silenced these voices. It leaves us an eternal message that even speaks to us right now. It tells us we need to be more compassionate towards each other. Everyone has a story, and it is important to hear everyone out. The cliff the time leaves us on becomes a mere puddle as we elevate every person around us with human touch and a little love.
Thank you.
That was by far the most original and heart-touching presentation I have ever seen on the corona pandemic. Very well done, Saransh. Very well done.
Who cares if one more light goes out in the sky of a million stars? It flickers, flickers. Who cares when someone's time runs out? If a moment is all we are, or quicker, quicker. Who cares if one more light goes out? Well, I do. Well, I do.